guys, just want to share with you something that I've purchased today. It's very exciting. It's basically, I was going through my junk mail and I got this Kmart catalog and I went through it and I got really excited because finally there's a place that I can buy my hula hoop. But yeah, I went to Kmart today straight after my yoga class. And I am just going to do an unboxing of this exciting new gadget of mine. It's that Active and Go weighted hula hoop. Soft foam covering for comfort and collapsible into 8 parts. I thought that I was going to go to Kmart and come back with an already made one, but I was quite surprised that you can actually collapse it. Oh, look at that. It's got 8 parts of padded. Look at that, that's not even, that is actually, I think that's for massaging your tummy while you're doing this exercise. Hang on. I am going to do it differently. So instead of that kind of pattern, I'm just going to do it in alternate colors. How about that? You have to press it really hard to lock it, because I can hear it clicking. Click. Okay, last click. Ta-da! It's large and it's quite heavy. So let's give it a spin, shall we? Pardon the pun. Okay, make sure you've got plenty of space for it to turn. Here we go. Oh, yeah, I can feel it massaging my tummy because it's got that bump, couple of bumps. So yeah, I think I can do this forever. Not really. I'm going to start doing this for a moment and I'm going to try it with my U-shape. Come, let's go inside. Basically, U-shape is, it gets harder when you go on the second or in the third. This is the hardest. This is where my pet jiggles the most. Okay, so I'm going to start for the first time doing hula hooping on the first one, or second one. So I don't think I can do hula hooping with my legs too close together. Okay, make sure that I'm not hitting anything. Okay, go. There you go. I can do this while watching my TV shows. Okay, let's see if I can do the third level. Okay. Oh, it requires a lot of coordination. Oh. Okay, it gets harder. Okay, look. Once I get the hang of it, it's fine. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you next time. Please subscribe for more videos and thumbs up if you like these videos. See you next time. Sayonara.